The most difficult thing to design for 3D printing are threads, because even if the design looks perfect, it's not always the case when you actually print it. So here's how I do it. First, make 2 cylinders, and then use the thread tool and select modeled. And you want the threads to be as chunky as possible, so select the highest pitch you can and then use the same settings on the other side. But these overhangs will mess you up, so the secret is to round everything that you can. And depending on how good your 3D printer is, you might also need to offset one side just a tiny amount before you round everything, but I'm using the Creality K1C, which is an absolute beast, so I don't need to. And thank you to Creality who sent this over to check out. I did a whole review on it if you're interested, but the short version is that it's just as capable as my other premium 3D printers, but it's also less expensive. Anyway, the threads worked great, and I've used the same technique for the joints on my mechanical calculator, as well as for my modular didgeridoo design. But each time there's a lot of trial and error to get the threads just right. Let me know what you think, but that's why I think